Stop buying the wrong stuff before retirement, because one decision here can quietly trap you into working years longer than you planned. Most people spend 30 years building their retirement savings, and then blow it in the first 3 because they forgot to do 5 things before they quit. In this video, I'm showing you exactly what those 5 things are, how much each one can save you every month, and the one mistake that quietly cost me thousands of dollars I never saw coming. Most retirement advice tells you to obsess over one giant number. $1 million. $2 million. But that misses the real game. Retirement is not only about how much you have. It is about how little you need every month. And that is why this video matters. Here's the truth. The average retired worker benefit in January 2026 is about $2,100 a month. That is not fantasy money. That is real life. So if your fixed costs are sitting at $4,000 a month, retirement feels impossible. But if you can push those costs down by $1,000, $1,500, even $2,000 a month, suddenly the math starts working. Housing and transportation alone account for half of household spending, which tells you where the wins are. So let's get straight to the 5 smartest things to buy, secure, or finish before retirement if you want lower stress and lower monthly costs. Number 1, lower housing costs. Not necessarily a tiny house. Not necessarily a move across the country. I mean buy a cheaper monthly reality. That could mean downsizing. It could mean choosing the less expensive home in the better neighborhood. It could mean selling the oversized place that eats cash through taxes, insurance, utilities, and repairs. Think of housing like carrying a backpack. While you are working, you can muscle through extra weight. In retirement, you feel every pound. A smaller mortgage, lower taxes, and lower upkeep can save hundreds per month. And if you own, ask your servicer whether a mortgage recast is available. A recast lets you pay a lump sum toward principal and re-amortize the loan over the remaining term, lowering the payment without restarting the clock like a refinance. Number 2, buy your last car before retirement. This is where a lot of people sabotage themselves. They retire, then 6 months later the transmission goes, or the old car starts needing repair after repair, and now they are forced into a payment when their income is lower. That is a terrible time to finance anything. Experian says the average new car payment reached $770 a month in late 2025. That is a retirement wrecking ball if it shows up at the wrong time. A better move is to buy a reliable car 3 to 5 years before retirement, while your income and financing options are stronger. Then attack the loan aggressively so the car is paid off, or close to it, before you stop working. You should be less interested in impressing the neighbors than in protecting your future cash flow. Reliability beats status every time. And no, this does not mean you need a luxury vehicle. It means dependable, low maintenance, affordable to insure, and likely to last through retirement without drama. Number 3, buy your body some maintenance while your employer is still helping. This one is not exciting, but it is powerful. If you have delayed dental work, vision correction, hearing needs, joint issues, or major evaluations, deal with them before retirement when possible. Original Medicare generally does not cover most routine dental, and it does not cover routine eye exams either. Fidelity estimates a 65-year-old may need $173,000 in after-tax savings for health care and retirement, and a couple may need more than $350,000. So no, health care does not magically get cheap the day you retire. Do not enter retirement carrying a list of expensive problems you know about. That is like launching a boat with a leak and hoping the lake is calm. Number 4, buy the boring home upgrades now. A roof. HVAC. Water heater. Gutters. Insulation. Windows. Appliance replacements. These are not exciting purchases, which is why people delay them. But boring is beautiful when it protects your monthly budget. A new HVAC can mean fewer emergency calls. Better insulation can trim utilities. Replacing a dying water heater before it fails can save money and stress. Retirement is hard enough without surprise repairs turning every month into a scavenger hunt for cash. So walk through your house now and ask one blunt question: what could force me to swipe a credit card in the first 2 years of retirement? Then go fix those things while paychecks are still coming in. Number 5, buy tax flexibility. This is the one most people never see coming. Traditional retirement withdrawals are generally taxable as ordinary income. Qualified Roth withdrawals are generally tax-free. That difference matters a lot when every dollar counts. I am not saying everyone should convert everything tomorrow. But I am saying this: entering retirement with only one taxable bucket can leave you with less control than you expected. Even building a modest Roth bucket before retirement can give you flexibility later. It can help you manage taxable income, protect cash flow, and reduce the feeling that every withdrawal comes with a penalty attached. The goal is not to dodge taxes entirely. The goal is to stop taxes from dictating every spending decision once your paycheck disappears. So what is the big idea here? Do not just save for retirement. Pre-buy retirement. Buy the lower payment. Buy the reliable car. Buy the medical work. Buy the boring repairs. Buy tax flexibility. Because every one of those moves reduces the amount of income retirement has to replace. That is how retirement starts feeling possible. Not with hope. With lowered overhead. And lowered overhead creates freedom, confidence, and options when the economy gets shaky or life throws you a surprise. If this video helped you think about retirement in a smarter way, subscribe, hit like, and tell me in the comments which one of these 5 could save you the most money.